I'll try to categorize into three data buckets. First would be the coal industry, the second is ferrous, and third is the non-ferrous. Within that, if I typically talk about the coal industry, I believe generative AI and cybersecurity. These are some of the terms which are going to really rule the market in the coming time. And of course, the customer experience. The way we used to look at this industry earlier versus the way we're going to look at it in the coming time is going to see a lot of changes. When you talk about ferrous and non-ferrous, I'll try to categorize them as one. I think there are a lot of realization which we are going to see in terms of again customer experience, because enterprise value and some of those commodities which are basically driving the market are very critically looked at. The digital interventions, especially in the non-ferrous industry, and I can definitely name like zinc industry, lead zinc industry, are definitely examples which are there in the market today. And going forward, also see underground mining coming up because the deposits are going deeper. This entire thing is going to be the typical trend, which the way I look at it in the coming time. Yeah. People talk about digitalization as the future. I believe this is what we are witnessing. For last many years, we are witnessing digitalization. And typically, if we talk about our own generation, we never saw that, a simple instrument like mobile can be a smart mobile money and driving the entire communication and all of, user interface, which is happening in the mining industry. But I talk about AI. Well, the way I look at it is the first thing is data. Well, for years, for ages, this industry had data. The point is, how do we leverage it? Today, while talking about artificial intelligence in the mining industry, the first thing first is the sensorization. And people focusing on that, they have realized the word which is digital maturity, especially in terms of the infrastructure they have. When we talk about the overall set of, I would say, the sensorization which is happening in the industry, it is ruling one set of things. From there, we are getting into the analytical engine and creating analytics. Today, people are talking about predictive analytics. Today, people are talking about patterns. All these things are basically driven by the entire set of sensorization which is happening in the industry. And this is something which is going to rule the market. We are going to be more matured when it comes to analytics. And that is what I typically see for the mining industry.